Okay, Noah, show us how it works. Noah's new racetrack. Hang on, buddy. Let me get a picture. Okay. You gonna let him go? We'll say 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Yeah! Oh! Yeah!
Was that awesome? Can you tell me how it works, Noah?
Yeah.
How does it work? You gotta put all the cars there. Then what do you do? Whoa!
Just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that.
There's Miss Evelyn. Can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
You're reading a book?